Management and Student Recruitment for South Asia, and I'm here to represent Bradley University. So our tagline says mid-sized with difference, which means that if a student opts for Bradley University as their final option, they'll be getting into a university where they can enjoy the benefits of being part of both the worlds, being getting personalized attention, being part of a mid-sized, headcount university, and big difference because it's a huge campus offering all kind of facilities and amenities that you can think and dream about being into an international university. Our enrollment size is just 5,400 plus. However, our campus is spread on 84 acres of land, and that's how you can relate mid-sized big difference. These students are coming from 45 nationalities. From India, we have about 150 new additions every year, and with the continuing community, it makes around 750 to 800 odd Indian students. So when I say 5,400 plus students and only 150 Indian students, that means you're getting into a real university where you're getting multicultural essence and blend of diversity from day one. You will be bound not to get mingled and friends with only Indian students, but with every nationality. We're offering 36 graduate programs, 185 undergrad programs. Out of these 36 graduate programs, 10 are STEM certified, and that's what we are popular and niche about. And out of 185 undergrad, about 48 are STEM programs. We're located in Illinois States in the Peoria city. To reach us, you'll have to get down at Chicago O'Hare Airport, and from there, you take a bus or train to Peoria, which takes about 3 to 3.5 hours. Bus is always advised from students' perspective because it's more economical for students' perspective. Just to give you some background about Peoria, that's how we look like. We are very beautiful. Our per capita income is 12th highest in the US, and our name has been derived from a Peoria tribe. Our Forbes has ranked us 47 out of the 150 metropolitan cities. So that means if you are opting for Peoria city, it's a small urban area where per capita income is high, GDP is high, you have less competition and more opportunities. Just in short, I'll tell you this. We are a land of lot of museums, sculptures, and fine arts, and that's how we are too niche with our fine arts program at undergrad and grad level. We're just 3 to 3.5 hours from Chicago, from St. Louis, from Indiana. Then we are that's by road. We are 2 hours from New York and Denver by air. We're 3.5 hours by air from Los Angeles and California. Illinois acts as heart and pulse of US because of its demographic representation. As I said, it's a small urban area with a lot of industries based out there because the industries also find it as small cost, less cost of setting up the businesses, which means less competition. Instead of going into a city like Chicago or Dallas or Texas, a student will have to face a lot of competition in finding part-time jobs or for their long-term plans as well. Illinois happens to be the 11th wealthiest out of the 50 states of US. So before talking about Bradley, why I've given you some background about Peoria and Illinois, just to make you understand that you're getting into the right kind of destination for better opportunities in terms of making your careers, part-time jobs and full-time jobs. Illinois shares its boundaries with Kentucky, Missouri, Wisconsin, Michigan. And as I said, O'Hare happens to be the airport where students will get down for Bradley University. It's the fourth busiest airport in passenger number. To give you some more background about Illinois, Barack Obama, he started his political career from Illinois. Famous people from Illinois include US presidential candidate Hillary Clinton and producer Walt Disney. A lot of music forms have been originated from Illinois. Just to give you a little more information, that's how we are too niche with our music programs at undergrad programs. Illinois itself is a leader of music education. And if I talk about game design program, our undergrad game design program are out of the best in the world and top in the US. Our capital is Springfield. Other popular cities are Bloomington and Rockford. That's how we appear on the US map in the Midwest region, and that's how we are 7th in the Midwest and 4th in the regional. This is the beautiful campus. It's a historic kind of campus, always busy with fun activities because we have more than 250 clubs for students to join. These are few pictures from the campus. This is a $100 million building. We call it Business and Engineering Convergence Center. This is a collaborative initiative to get the business and engineering students get placed into one building and share their ideas and tools, equipments, and technologies that they're using. So we can understand if $100 million have been invested in a specific building, it carries a lot of value for students' perspective. To talk about the rankings, we are 7th in the Midwest, 4th in the regional, number 1 in Illinois for finding jobs. As per payscale.com, we are offering 58%. The Bradley graduates, they are offered 58.6% higher than the median average salary rate. Any student in US and Illinois region in specific, they start their careers with about $30,000 per annum salary. However, Bradley graduates have proved to have an average median salary of $58,600 per annum, and about $105,000 is the highest salary that our students are getting. We are out of top 15 in the best value for within the region. 96% of our students gain real world experience because most of our programs have incorporated uh, project works or assignments which offer them to get exposure with the industries. 98% students have graduate outcomes. That means most of them gets placed into the similar field of their education. Our university is divided into 7 schools. However, 5 are primary from where Indian students get placed into. Most popular school is Caterpillar College of Engineering and Technology. Caterpillar College of Engineering and Technology. There are 5 programs within this school, and all 5 programs are ABET accredited. All programs are STEM certified. These are civil engineering, electrical engineering, industrial engineering, manufacturing engineering, and mechanical engineering. Out of these 5 programs, as I said, these are the most niche programs, STEM and ABET accredited. Only electrical engineering requires GRE. I repeat, only electrical engineering requires GRE, none other program. Just give me a while. There seems to be some technical issue. I can't move on the slide. Give me a while. I'm really sorry.
No worries.
I'll have to turn on this to the smaller view. Is it okay for you all?
Yeah, it's absolutely fine. You can
Hello?
speak, no problem.
Namrata, is
Yeah,
this smaller
Manmeet,
view
you can.
visible?
Not actually visible, but you
I
can
hope I'm
speak,
still connected.
Manmeet. Yes, you are still connected. Can you hear me, Manmeet? Hello.
Caterpillar College of Engineering offers internship opportunities to students, and we are committed to hands-on learning experience to the students with offering small classroom sizes and internship opportunities which offers networking opportunities as well. The culture of learning encourages creativity and prepares students for current industry needs. Namrata, are you still there?
Yes, Manmeet, I'm here. Can you hear me? Um, Manmeet, can you hear me?
Advantages of our
Hello.
Caterpillar College of Engineering and Technology. 90% of our students participate in internships, practicals, or co-ops. We are out of the top 30 engineering school in the whole of US and the top engineering school in the Illinois state. I already talked about the payscale.com potential. That 96% of our students have career outcomes. 100% of our students complete a real world professional level capstone project, which is advised by the member of engineering faculty. Then under our business school, Foster College of Business Administration, we have primarily two popular programs, MBA and MSA, Masters of Science in Accounting. Both these programs require 2 years of work experience. We are not offering this program to fresh graduates. Then is the Slane College of Communication and Fine Arts. Under this, we have Masters of Arts, Fine Arts. All these programs are accredited by the highest accreditation commission, be it the design programs, music programs, or the theatre program. The highest catch of any student opting for this school is the Hollywood semester. One semester is done in Los Angeles, and that is the catch, although that's an optional one. And most of our professors, students, alumni have been given the highest awards from this specific school. Then is our College of Education and Health Sciences. Students coming with MBBS or dentistry experience, offering them Masters of Arts in Counseling, clinical mental health counseling. Students with teaching experience, we are offering them professional school counseling. Students with social work experience, we offer them non-profit leadership program. Then is the more other popular school, which is Liberal Arts and Science School. Under this, we have 6 other STEM programs, which include MS Biology, MS and MA Chemistry, MS Biochemistry, MS Computer Science, and MS Computer Information System are again the most other 2 popular programs. Out of this, MS Biology requires GRE, then MS Computer Science and Computer Information System require GRE. None other program require GRE. Just to give you few more information why a student should opt for Bradley University. One is our affordable fee structure. Undergrad tuition fee is $34,610 per annum. Grad tuition fee is $910 per credit. USPs are classroom sizes and faculty student ratio. The classroom size is no more than 20 to 21 students, and faculty ratio is 12:1. For every 12 students we have one faculty to support them, to offer them personalized attention. The accreditation, our programs have all business programs are accredited by ACSB, which is the highest accreditation commission for business programs, and all engineering programs, as I already said, are accredited by ABET. Then our education system is one of the top education system. We have world-class faculty to support students. We are out of the top Illinois University in US News and World Reports. We offer financial assistance in the form of scholarships. To undergrad students, we are offering scholarships ranging from $4,000 to $17,000. These are based on academic and SAT scores. Admissions are open for 2 terms, fall and spring. Deadlines are 15th May for fall and 15th October for spring. However, for transfer students, we have summer term as well. And we have rolling admissions, so you can apply for any term, any point of time. Entry requirements, we just need 60%. If a student has a GPA of 2.5, still the application can be put and considered because it's case by case. That's the minimum requirement. Then we need an IELTS of 6.5 or a TOEFL of 79 or a PT of 58 for all the programs, be it undergrad or grad. All undergrad programs need a mandatory SAT of 1,000. 900s can be considered case by case. All grad programs need a mandatory senior education. It's only MBA where 15 years education can be accepted. GRE is needed for 4 programs, as I said: computer science, computer information systems, electrical engineering, and biology. A GRE of minimum 288, a preferred 300. A GMAT minimum of 488 for MBA and MSA, and a preferred 500. GMAT can be waived off for only MBA program, never for MSA program. If a student is coming with more than 2 years work experience, can be considered for GMAT waiver, or somebody coming with a GRE of 300 can be considered for GMAT waiver. Scholarships to grad students are in huge and are based only on academic scores. As I said, we need a GPA minimum of 2.5 or preferred of 3. Any student ranging between a GPA of 3.25 to 3.74 can be offered merit scholarships with 10% on tuition fee. Students between a GPA of 3.75 to 4.0 can be offered excellence scholarships, which is 25% on tuition fee. Beyond this is graduate assistantship, which one has to grasp onshore. If you can be supporting a professor and assisting them through teaching other students and mentoring other students, checking their papers and all, and if you manage to get an opportunity to work 20 hours per week on campus assisting the professor, you can be given 100% tuition reduction. And if you manage to work 10 hours per week, you can be given 50% tuition reduction. Undergrad scholarships, I already said, is based only on academic and SAT, and grad only on academic scores. Then comes the hiring companies. The part-time jobs in Peoria can fetch a part-time salary of $17 to $21 per hour to students. Our hiring companies are Caterpillar Tractor Company, Komatsu, Belson, John Deere, Price Waterhouse Coopers, RSM. These all are basically manufacturing companies, mechanical firms, IT firms, civil and construction firms. These are into taxation, audit, and healthcare firms. You think about any firm that are based out in Illinois. These are few activities that students do. We have athletes and gymnasium. We have on-campus food facility on campus, cafeterias and food apps. For students, we have 24 hours on campus police and security for students with pavements lit 24 hours. Students can opt for single occupancy, double occupancy, apartments, suites, shared accommodation as per their paying capacity and their preferences. We have 12 halls of residences on campus.